my friends. Today I want to show you how to set up a mobile trading station for less than $500. But first, if you like this video, I need you to go ahead and stomp on the like button. Just stomp it into dust and then leave a comment below about how good it felt to stomp on it. It would help me a great deal and I would truly appreciate it. Now, for you beginning day traders, you might have a vision in your head of what a day trading station looks like. It's probably some sort of monstrosity of multiple monitors, maybe 5 or more, all stacked neatly over the desk of one genius trader. Now, I have to warn you that this is not going to help you in the beginning. It probably won't help you later on. It's just completely unnecessary to have so many screens and distractions. However, it looks damn cool. The sad reality is over 90% of traders lose money. And of that 90%, the vast majority of them are going to quit within the first year. So spending a lot of money on equipment is simply a bad investment. Unless you consider the fact that you'll probably lose all that money trading anyway, so if you spent it on some pimp monitors, at least you have something to show for it. I know that we're all winners here, so we'll get right to the point. The only piece of equipment that you need to begin day trading is a laptop. I know, not that exciting. So we're going to spice it up just a little bit and we'll add a portable monitor on the cheap. First, I'm going to show you how I do it, and then I'll show you how you can do it in a much more cost-effective manner. Most of the time when I trade, it's just me and my MacBook. But sometimes I do like a little extra space, some more visual space. So I'll add an extra monitor so I can pull up another chart or my visual dome program that shows me the buy and sell orders in the book. Now my setup is very simple, but it took a little bit of work to get going. So I already owned the MacBook and I already owned an iPad. So from there, I had to take the MacBook and partition it into 2 separate drives. I had to do this because most trading programs run on Windows. So with a partition drive in a MacBook, I can upload Windows 10, and from there, I can connect the iPad to Windows 10, but to make Windows 10 communicate with the iPad, I had to download an app called Duet Display. It was only $10 for that app and it works beautifully. So all I need now is just a USB cord. I connect the iPad to the MacBook, which is running Windows 10. I turn on Duet Display. The 2 displays communicate with each other, and now I have a setup that was virtually free for me. It cost me Windows 10 and it cost me Duet Display. But I know this is kind of cheating. I already owned a MacBook and I already owned an iPad, and if you had to go buy both of those together, you could be talking over $2,000, and we want to get you involved for less than $500. To get your low-cost mobile trading station set up, simply venture over to Amazon.com. Search for laptops and you will find multiple options of quality laptops that are very low cost, many well under $500. This Acer right here was about $338 currently and would be more than fit to do the job of a day trader. The second thing you need is simply a USB portable monitor, which you can find right here. This one is an AOC brand. It's $90 currently, and it's simply plug and play. You buy your little Acer laptop, you buy the little portable monitor, get a USB cord, plug them together, and voila, you have dual display for just over $400. Now I recommend getting about 15-inch screens. 15-inch is very easy to port around, to carry with you. It doesn't take up a lot of room, but it's not so small that it's going to annoy the hell out of you. For instance, I used to have a 13-inch monitor MacBook, and it was just too small. Now, of course, you can use that if that's all you've got, but again, I recommend the 15-inch. Now, I'm not going to link to the Acer or the AOC monitor below because I do not own them, I've never used them, and I don't know how good they are. I simply cannot recommend them, so do your own research. So you see how simple it is to set up a mobile trading station for under $500. Now, you'll probably need a mouse, and possibly if you actually are going to be moving this around from out of your house, you'll want some sort of laptop bag, maybe some kind of protection for the computer and the monitor if you happen to drop them. So this could put you up over $500, but you can see that you can do this very cost effectively without breaking the bank. So once again, if you like this video, there's only one way to let YouTube know, and that is to sit on the face of that like button. Sit on it and smother it. And then leave a comment below. Thank you guys. Happy trading.